create a books and literature e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button if you want to create a new account, and if you already have an account you just click on login and you proceed to type in your email or your username. Then you click on next to proceed to type in your password. So just give it a few seconds to load. After typing your password, you click on login. After login, the first step of creating our store is typing a name for the store. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. Then you click on continue. After that, you answer this question, and here you have 3 answers. You choose the one that fits you. Then you do the same with this other question, and then you proceed to choosing the category of the items that you will be selling. So mine is about books and literature, so let's see if we can find something related to that category. So here we have jewelry, health, fitness. I think we don't have something like that in here, so let's just go with other. Then you click on continue, and then if you already have a store in the real world, you type the address. If not, you just skip this step and you give them a few seconds to set up your store. And then this is the dashboard, as you can see, and this is the overview section. And here in your right you have the edit site button and also the design now button. It does the same job as the edit site button. And before we check the edit site or the editing phase, let's first check these sections and explain them for you. So let's start with website, and it's where you have also the edit site button, and it's where you can set up your domain name or change the one that you already have. Then we have the items, and it's where you can set the site's items, and by items we mean products. You can set your products in here, set categories, options, coupons and gift cards and so on. Then we have the orders section, and it's where you can check your orders, see the cancelled ones, the fulfilled one, the shipped one and so on. Then we have the fulfillment section. It's where you can set up your pickup settings and the shipping settings also. And then we have the reports. It's where you can see all the reports about your traffic, activity, sources, online sales and so on. And if you want to see the summary of all these ones, you just click on summary and you can see them in there. Then we have the marketing, and it's basically in this section you can see everything that is related to growing your audience, from the summary, email, automated ads and so on. Then we have the communications section, where we have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger and abandoned carts. Then we have the settings, where you can see the general settings if you want to set your company name, your phone number, email and address and stuff like that. So just give it a few seconds to load. You can also change the store's information, and here you can set all the things that I mentioned before: phone number, email, address and so on. Then we have the checkout, and it's where you can set your payment processors like your Stripe account or your PayPal account, or if you want to change the country and the currency of your store. Then we have the sales taxes and the units, where you can change the site's language or edit the units that you already have. So let's go back to the overview and let's proceed to the editing phase. So just click on edit site or design now. So let's go with edit site, and then it will take us to where we can edit our site. So just give it a few seconds, and then just ignore this one and wait till the styles pop up in here. So just give it a few seconds, and here we are. We have the styles. Here you can choose one of these styles. choose the one that fits you basically. So we will wait until the site completes loading up. As you can see, it's still loading, and here we are, the site is loaded, and here we choose one of these styles. So I'm going with the simple one, the first one, and then click on hide styles and check if it fits your store. Then you click on apply site styles. Then you proceed to the site's design, where you have the site styles, and if you want to add an image to be your logo, change the colors, fonts and shapes. So let's go with fonts. Let's change it from Inter to Comforta. Here it is, Comforta. Let's leave it at that. And here, if you want to play with these adjustments, the base font size, type scale, and so on, then you click on done when you're done, and we proceed to the shapes. Let's change the buttons shapes and the images shape to rounded. Let's leave it at rounded. Then let's click on done. After that, if you want to change the site's elements, you will need to upgrade from the free plan to the paid one, and then let's click on done, and let's close this one. And here in your left, just click on dismiss all, and then you proceed to changing the header, main banner, featured items, and so on. If you want to change these sections, and if you want to add new ones, you just click on the plus button. If you want to add new section or a new page, item, category, you can do all of that in here. Then we have the settings, if you want to view page settings or duplicate a page in here. And here you can choose the page that you are adjusting, if you want to change the home or any other one you would like. So that's it guys for today's video. I just wanted to give you an idea about how this platform works and how you can build your store in it. So I still got one thing to show you, which is if you want to change the placement of any section in here, you just click on this dots and then you change it to wherever you want to leave it in. So let's leave it right in here in the top, or let's leave it right in its place, and that's it. And if you want to delete one of them, you just click on the delete button. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.